The alignment of your first panel is critical, because that sets the alignment for the entire wall. If your first panel is not right, all the other panels won't be right. Using a laser level will help get that first panel straight, even if the wall's not. Using good quality painter's tape will hold the panel in place while you make final adjustments. Make sure you leave enough print material at the top edge to compensate for any play in the roof height. You will also need to run painter's tape down the left-hand side of the panel to help hold it in the right position. Depending on the size of the wall, 3 or 4 bits of painter's tape will need to be used down each side. Cutting through the painter's tape, but being careful not to cut the wall underneath, is a good way to keep alignment as you're applying the panel. You can now remove the liner and apply the panel using small overlapping strokes with your squeegee. Remove the alignment tape marks as you go. When you get to the bottom of the drop, turn your squeegee sideways and make sure that the graphic is applied hard into the bottom edge. And finally, trim off the excess material at the bottom.